In the previous video, you have seen that useful microorganisms. In this video, you will see that the microorganisms are our foes or enemies. They cause diseases in animals, human beings, and plants, and they are the infectious agents. In oldest sense of biology, microorganisms that cause diseases are called pathogens. Pathogens means disease-causing agents. It came into use in 1880. They may be bacterium, virus, and any other microorganism that cause diseases. Our body is naturally full of microbes. However, these pathogens can cause problems to us if our immune system is weakened or if they manage to enter our body. A pathogen needs to thrive and survive in a host. Once it sets itself in the host body, it manages to avoid body's immune responses and uses the body's resources to replicate before living and spreading to a new host. Pathogens can be transmitted a few days depending upon the type. They can spread through skin contact, body fluid, touching any surface touched by infected person, airborne particles, contact through feces. Microorganisms also grow on food particles that get lost in between the teeth. Acids produced by the bacteria may corrode the tooth enamel and cause cavities. Microorganisms causing diseases in humans. When they come in contact with the microorganisms, they invade our body and multiply inside our body. They release some harmful chemicals called toxins. Toxins adversely affect our body and make us suffer from diseases. So, disease occurs when the cells of our body are damaged from the invading pathogens and regular cell processes are disrupted. What are communicable diseases? Communicable diseases are the diseases that can be spread from one person to another and cause a large number of people to get sick. They are caused by the germs like bacteria, virus, fungi, and the parasites and the toxins released by them. The germs may cause communicable diseases are spread in a number of ways like physical contact, contact with contaminated surface or object, and the bites from insects or animals and through the air. So communicable diseases are the illness that result from the infection due to the presence and growth of pathogenic biological agents in an individual, human or other animal host. Modes of transmission of communicable diseases: contact with an infected person, physical contact, and through contact with skin. It may be through the touch or direct contact through the skin. Sexual contact, fecal or oral transmission. Next is through the droplets. Communicable diseases that spread through air are common cold, influenza, chickenpox, mumps, measles, whooping cough or pertussis, tuberculosis, diphtheria, and swine flu. Then, through contaminated food and water-related diseases are cholera, hepatitis A, dysentery, botulism, dengue fever, typhoid, and hemoptysis. Through insect or animal bite that capable of transmitting the diseases are malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, chikungunya, encephalitis, Zika virus, rabies, and plague. The insects that can spread various types of diseases are female Anopheles mosquito that causes malaria, And the parasite is Plasmodium parasite that causes malaria. The parasite then is spreading to humans through the bites of infected mosquito. An infected female Anopheles mosquito then bites a healthy person, inject Plasmodium parasites in the form of sporozoites into the bloodstream of healthy person. Then it travels to the liver. Then the parasites mature there. Then they leave the liver and infect the red blood cells. In this way, malaria parasites cause the disease malaria in human beings. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite and is transmitted by the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. The different types of malaria parasites are Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium opale, Plasmodium vivax, and Plasmodium malariae. Dengue is caused by Aedes mosquito. The bite of Aedes mosquito infected with dengue virus. It cannot be spread directly from one person to another person. The next is plague that is spread by a rat flea. The vector is rat flea. The bite of fleas that are previously fed on infected animals like mice, rats, and rabbits. The bacteria is Yersinia pestis. This is also called Black Death. Dengue is a viral disease in tropical and subtropical areas. The symptoms are high fever, headache, rashes, muscle and joint pain. This is also called breakbone fever. Plague is the bacterial infection transmitted by fleas. The symptoms are swollen lymph nodes, fever, chills, headache, and red spot on skin that later turns black, so it is called Black Death. Anthrax is a serious infectious disease caused by bacteria Bacillus anthracis. It is found naturally in soil and commonly affects the domestic and wild animals. Foot and mouth disease is caused by virus. Infections occurs when virus is taken into the host and the body cell produces thousands of copies of the virus. It causes weight loss of appetite, and frothing of mouth. Aspergillosis is the most common form of pulmonary infection in poultry and other birds. It is caused by the fungus Aspergillus fumigatus. It causes eye lesions. Canine distemper is a contagious disease caused by virus that attacks the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and nervous system of puppies and dogs. It causes fever, lethargy, anorexia, vomiting, and diarrhea. Rabies is caused by rhabdovirus that spread to people from saliva in infected animals. It is transmitted through animal bite, mainly stray dogs and monkeys. Symptoms are fever, headache, paralysis, and mental confusion. Ringworm is the skin disease in cattle and poultry birds. It is an infectious disease caused by trichophyton, that is the spore forming fungi. It is caused by infection of the hair and surface layers of the skin. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria Mycobacterium bovis and Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and it affects the animals like cattle and causes coughing, fever, pneumonia, and weakness. Microorganisms also cause spoilage of food and become unsafe for human consumption. Perishable food items, you know that contains maximum moisture content, and if they are not refrigerated properly, they may not be safe for consumption. Common spoilage bacteria are Pseudomonas that spoil meat, fish, and egg. As for forming organisms that spoil food are Clostridium and Bacillus species. Common spoilage fungi are Aspergillus, Penicillium, and Rhizopus. Fungal spoilage is mainly in form of the molds and rods. Blue rot in tomatoes and oranges is mainly due to penicillium. Microorganisms grow on clothes, leather items, and pickles in monsoon time and adversely affects its quality. Food poisoning is also called foodborne illness and caused by eating contaminated food. Infectious organisms are bacteria, virus, fungus, parasites, and the toxins are the most common causes of food poisoning. Most cases they are caused by common bacteria such as Staphylococcus or Escherichia coli. In cases of food poisoning, harmful organisms can produce toxins that irritate the lining of our stomach and intestine that result in painful inflammation in our stomach that may cause pain in our abdomen. Botulism is also caused by the ingestion of food containing the toxins produced by Clostridium botulinum. Food poisoning caused but due to the food contaminated with a potent toxins. Mycotoxins are also the chemical substances produced by a variety of fungi, Aspergillus penicillium, rhizopus, and the poisonous mushrooms called toadstools. The symptoms of food poisoning are abdominal pain, cramps, diarrhea, headache, nausea, fever, chills, weakness and fatigue, muscle aches, severe dehydration that may result dry mouth and loss of appetite. Here is an activity for you. Common infectious diseases and the microorganisms that cause the transmission of the given diseases given in the box. Malaria is caused by protozoan. Next is common cold by virus. Next is influenza caused by virus. Next is tuberculosis by bacteria. Next is diphtheria caused by bacteria. Next is tetanus caused by bacteria. Next is polio caused by virus. Next is athlete's foot caused by fungus. Next is cholera caused by bacteria. Next is chickenpox caused by virus. Next is typhoid caused by bacteria. Next is mumps caused by virus. Next is rabies caused by virus. Next is sleeping sickness caused by protozoans. Next is ringworm caused by fungus. Next is amoebic dysentery caused by protozoans. Now the diseases are classified into the categories in which category they are caused by bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoans. Thank you for watching this video which is based on pathogens that cause diseases in animals and human beings. In the next video, we will get information on microorganisms that cause diseases in plants and the preventive measures taken to be away from the diseases. Goodbye.